Hi, welcome to Thuong Nguyen Woodworking Machine. I'm Daniel, and today we have a 6-side automatic boring machines. Let's get to it. First, we have the control panel, and this control panel is a computer. This computer runs on Windows 10 operating system, and on it we have a program by the manufacturers. And we will use these programs to pretty much anything with this machine. Controlling machines, set up the workpiece, activate operating features and etc. Pretty much everything to control the machine. Okay. Next is our boring head. So for this unit we have 2 boring heads installed on the machines, and the benefit of having 2 boring heads is that, one, when we have a workpiece that we need to drill a lot of holes on, so if we only have 1 boring head, then that boring head would have to drill each hole one at a time. But if we have 2 boring heads, then they will split the work, which will help a lot with our production time. The second advantage of having 2 boring heads is that, let's say that our workpiece have many drilling holes which have different diameter. One is 5 mm and the other is 8 mm, for example. So by having 2 boring heads, we can install 2 cutter heads on them. One will have 5 mm, the other is 8 mm, and they will do the work accordingly. By doing that, we don't have to spend time changing the tool each time, which helps us a lot with production time. And this is the bottom view of the boring head. For this boring head, it is responsible for vertical borings and horizontal boring as well. And this is the bottom boring head. This boring head will do the job from the bottom of the workpiece upward. And here we are, the back side of the machines. This is where the outfeed conveyor is located. So for these machines, we have 2 modes of outfitting workpiece. The first is when the workpiece comes in the machines, the machine processes it, and then the machine will output the workpiece this way, and it will come out this way. The second mode is when the workpiece comes in the machines, the machine processes it, and then the machines will put it back out the way it came from. So let's put these machines to work and see how it goes. And that is the 6-side automatic boring machine. If you have any questions about this machine or any other woodworking machines, please contact us and we will give you more information for free. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.